Let's now go to inquiring. Let's discuss symptoms in pregnancy. For vaginal discharge, a white discharge that is usually thin but large in amount and has no odor is due to deficiency of spleen chi or cold dampness in the lower body. For yellow discharge, this is usually large in amount and is viscid and malodorous. It is mostly due to accumulated dampness transforming into endogenous heat or dampness heat in the lower body. For red discharge, it may be red throughout or interspersed with white and is usually viscid and is mildly malodorous. It is mostly due to suppressed liver qi transforming into fire and damaging uterine meridians. Copious vaginal discharge may also be seen in trichomoniasis, candidiasis, gonorrhea, tuberculosis of the uterine cervix, sena vaginitis, uterine tumor or cancer, or cervical cancer. Some common symptoms in pregnancy. For vomiting, it is due during pregnancy that is very common. It's accompanied by abdominal distension, fatigue, and lassitude. It indicates deficiency of spleen and stomach qi. If accompanied by agitation, irritability, a bitter taste, and regurgitation of acid fluids, it indicates liver fire disturbing the stomach. If accompanied by epigastric pressure, anorexia, vomiting of sputum or saliva, and greasy tongue coating, it is due to turbid phlegm extending upward. An edema during pregnancy is usually in the lower limbs but may occasionally extend to the entire body. If accompanied by reduced appetite and ascites, it suggests deficiency of spleen qi or of spleen yang. If accompanied by cold limbs and lumbar and knee aches and weakness, it suggests deficiency of kidney yang. If accompanied by distension and pain of the flanks and chest, it suggests blockage of qi movement. For fetal distress, this refers to ptosis of the gravid uterus, causing pain, sometimes with vaginal bleeding. If there are also aches and pressure in the waist, dizziness, and urinary frequency, it is due to kidney insufficiency and inability to nurture the Chong and Ren meridians. If there are also a light yellow complexion, fatigue and weariness, it, a pale tongue and a depletive and a feeble pulse, it is mostly due to insufficiency of qi and blood, so that the fetus is not adequately nourished. If there are also distension in the chest and flank, agitation and irritability, and the thought pulse, it is mostly due to stagnation of liver qi. Abdominal pain and vaginal bleeding that result from falling or straining is due to injury of the Chong and Ren meridians. The condition is threatened abortion in Western medicine belongs in this category. Thank you for your attention.